Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 18. Evaluate the inequality x over 2 plus 3 over 4 is less than or equal to 5x over 6 minus 7 over 12. Now let's multiply through by 12. Multiply through by 12. So when we multiply through by 12, we'll be having 12 x over 2 plus 12 times 3 over 4 is less than or equals to 12 times 5x over 6 minus 7 times 12 over 12. Now from here we're trying to eliminate the fraction from this place. Now from here we'll be having that we'll be having 12 divided by 2 will give us 6x plus, now 12 divided by 3 will give us 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. It's less than or equals to 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 will give us 10x. Then 12 divided by 12 will give us 1 times minus 7 minus 7. So from here, collecting like terms, we have that 10x. We'll have that 9 plus 7 is less than or equals to 10x minus 6x. So we have 16 is less than or equal to 4x. So dividing both sides by 4. 4 we cancel 4, we have x. Then 16 divided by 4, we have 4. So 4 is less than or equals to x, meaning x is greater than or equal to 4. And that is option B. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.